Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to open Grafana command line interface. Now the first thing I want you to do is come here, click on search, and type in CMD. So open up our command prompt, click here on open, and now once this is open, we need to get the path, okay? So go to your file explorer. I'll go here to local disk C, that is where I had installed Grafana. Now locate it, so we can come here to program files. This is the default, okay? Scroll down until you see Grafana Labs. Click on this, then click on Grafana, and here you should see a folder called bin, okay? And here under the bin folder, you should see grafana-cli.exe. So I want you to copy this path, okay? Let's minimize this. And I want you to type in cd space and paste in that path. Press enter, and there we go. Now, I want you to just go ahead and copy this name. So I'll right click here, okay? And then I will go ahead and click on rename just to copy this whole path. And now that we have the file name, I'll show you how to get the help section, and you just paste that in, and then you can type in space dash H, okay? You can press enter, you get the whole help section here. And if you want to make it easier, you can add that path, okay, to your system's path environment variable. This will allow you to run Grafana CLI.exe from any directory in the command prompt without having to navigate to the Grafana bin folder first, okay? So it's really that easy on how to open a Grafana CLI.